Hello everyone. Today I am going to share the questions that one should ask before buying Siam. I will only be sharing my thoughts and my views and the questions that I actually asked myself and did research on in order to get a Siam that is suitable for me. So while purchasing Siam, there are two kinds of buyer. One are corporate setups and very high budget buyers. For them budget is not an issue, and second are the buyers who are located in a small setup or peripheral setup or individual setup. The questions basically remain same for both of them. The first and most important question is how low a budget Siam can be bought, which is long lasting and doesn't need any frequent upgrade and also delivers on its quality. So you have to make a chart with plus and minus and features of different Siams, and then which Siam will have less money, less uh, maintenance and more quality as well. Secondly, decide on the quality and name of the brand. Which brand offers good service in your area and offers good after sales service? Maintenance is available, parts are available. Sometimes it happens that if a part is faulty, then the part has to come from other country, so it becomes a shutdown period of few days or weeks. So if there is any local person available for repairing, that is the best, and parts should also be available easily. So go for number of units of that particular company in your area. Also take breakdown and quality feedbacks from at least 200 people. That's why what I did, try to visit each and every center to see the Siam yourself and evaluate yourself, or at least call a few of them. If the Siam is faulty, they will definitely tell you, and if the Siam is good, then also they will definitely tell you. The other thing that you should research upon is the camera or IITV, whether it is Chinese, Italian, US make, its quality, it's HD, 1K, 1K, CMOS or CCD, and see the quality of images in that center so as you can judge them accurately. Also look for the generator it has, how many kilowatt power, what is the type of anode and how long it can sustain in long cases, what is the casing of the generator, whether it is oil based or not. Also check the computer storage, as the computer storage is becoming popular nowadays. You can retrieve the images after any surgery, you don't have to click intraoperatively. Also a few systems provide for measurement of angles and screws intraoperatively, that is a big aid. Check for the laser, RAM of the printer, whether direct printing is supported. These things do matter in the long run. Also check for the monitor types, whether it is LED, medical grade or higher German monitor. Monitor is something that you can compromise on, but I would recommend to go for medical grade monitor. Similarly, also check for mechanical parts like wheels, whether wheels run effectively on tiles if you have tiles, or on epoxy coating if you have epoxy coating. Check on the smoothness of up and down function. Also check for the arc movements and arc dimensions. The dimensions between OT table and the Siam arc is important in AP and lateral view, and it should be spacious enough and it should not touch the table in any of the views. The more arc there is, the better maneuverability while surgery will be there. I checked and saw various companies, imported ones too and Indian ones too, and then came upon a conclusion. I would love to see you do your research on Siemens, Allengers, BPL, Scanray, Zyme, and other local companies also. And please do give your input as comments below after you do your research. I would love to hear them out. Thank you very much for your patient listening.